Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make garlic cilantro pasta. Okay guys, so my water is boiling. To this I'm going to add some nice salt into it, and then I'm going to add my pasta. My water is already boiling, so this time we are taking linguine pasta, and I like just putting it like this, breaking it up, or just putting it whole, and then when it goes down, I'll put it down. Okay, so now look at my pasta. I immersed it nice and well into this water. And look at your cooking instruction. Now this is linguine pasta. You can also take spaghetti for this dish, and this will go very well. Don't take any thin pasta like noodles or even angel hair pasta to it, because then it cooks real fast. Let this come to a boil according to your cooking instruction, which is about 8 minutes, and then in the meantime we're going to make the sauce for it. I mean, the sauce means just tempering with garlic and olive oil while this comes to a boil. Okay guys, so we're gonna make this pasta now. My pasta is already boiled. I've drained it out. You can also keep it there or just put it when it's boiling, but it has to be nice and al dente. So you require a lot of oil for this kind of pasta. Okay, let it get nice and hot. And it's something which I learned from an Italian chef when I just finished catering college, and I'd gone to a restaurant, and that Italian chef, he just made this thing very easy kind of pasta. It was dripping with olive oil. It was really nice. It was so flavorful because of the fresh garlic in it. Okay, so now we're gonna put some garlic, let it toast really well. This is chopped garlic. You can spread it in the oil, and so you've got to toast this really nice and brown. Some people, they chop it fresh and they want to keep it big, but it's better be chopped well. So now we're going to let this garlic oil simmer right through well. Okay, so now I can smell this really well. You can see the garlic has nicely browned. To this I'm going to add my pasta water to it. Okay, so what's going to happen is the pasta we're going to add to this. I'm going to add to the flour a little bit, a little pepper, for seasoning, and some salt into this. According to your taste. If you want it spicy, I don't like it spicy, so this will just do it. And I'm going to add my pasta, which has been drained, to this now. And just let it simmer right through. There you go. That's what you want. Let it simmer right through. Let the pasta cook very well in that flavor. Oh man, it smells so good. All this oil and everything. Ah. Now all I'm gonna do is, now you can actually just put parsley in it, but I like the smell of cilantro into this. Look at that, it's so nice. Let it simmer right through with all the oil and the water. Your pasta is already cooked, so you don't want to cook it for a long period of time. So this, now's the time where I add my cilantro to it. Fresh cilantro. Oh, it just gives such a nice aroma, such a nice flavor to it now. Simmer really well. There you go. Let it roast all the way. pepper and everything. Now there you are. Just now what we do is just shut this off and keep it closed for about 2 minutes, and then it's ready to serve with my fantastic chicken breast which we made earlier today. Okay guys, here's a fantastic pasta dish here. Here's my linguine pasta and roll it really nice. Linguine pasta with garlic and here it is, voila! Our fantastic linguine pasta with spinach breast stuffed chicken. Hi guys, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Now we're going to taste our fantastic stuffed chicken breast and also the pasta. Let's taste it. Looks really nice and cooked. Amazing. So let's taste the pasta. The pasta was very simple. Nice and flavorful. This recipe is a really authentic kind of Italian recipe. It's very simple to make. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!